bam, rock hit my glass. Booked it on the spot, they got it replaced, recalibrated, clean as new, real quick.
Woke up to a crack that stretched halfway across my windshield. Booked it in minutes, they had it fixed before lunch.
They didn't just fix my windshield, they made sure my car's tech was calibrated and safe again. Didn't realize a windshield crack messes with the sensors. They did it all live. Glass, calibration, everything. Total lifesaver before finals week.
Busy day, busted windshield, but they made it easy. I booked online, done. Calibrated, back before dinner.
Windshield HUB
Came through.